Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. We are in the series of effective ways of doing research or PhD. In today's video, we are going to see some effective tips that gonna help you to complete your PhD on time. When you are pursuing PhD, completion of PhD is just a daydream what we feel in this long journey. Most of the times we visualize the proud moment when we defended our thesis successfully and get honored with this degree. Let's explore some tips that are effective to enjoy this livable moment very soon where you've been honored with the PhD. Let's check out the video. Number 1, decide early on project goals. It is very important to have a clear structured view of your 3 to 4 years work of research project. As I mentioned in my earlier video where you have to make a note of all the questions before taking this decision. So if you haven't watched, I do recommend you to watch that video so you will build a clear mindset of pursuing a PhD and achieving this goal in your life. The important point to mention here, better head a start early. Make an overview structure of 3 to 4 years. Discuss it with your supervisors. Discuss the various stages that are involved while pursuing a PhD and also take care of the time frame that you are going to allot for a particular stage. As we have seen, there are 5 different stages of research. So just make sure that you allot specific time to each stage to complete your PhD on time. And this step will not happen overnight. It will take some time to plan your overall journey. So just do spend some time wisely to have a good start before starting the actual research project. This will not only save your time but will also give you a clear vision or picture of how it is going to be and how you are going to achieve your destination in 4 to 5 years. Number 2, design your project appropriately. It happens many a times once you get enrolled to PhD and once you start studying some research problem and when you start reading more and you see that there is lot of things that has been done and you are not aware. The more you read, the more you get confused. So to avoid this, the best method is to design your research proposal very appropriately and accurately. I would suggest you to design your time frame at a very initial start stage where you can accomplish a particular project or a problem statement in 3 to 4 years. Depending on universities, the time frame varies from person to person, but it usually takes 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 years. I highly recommend here to consider a particular research statement that you will be completing in 3 to 4 years of time frame. Pick research questions and experiments that will yield you proper analysis and achievable results within a time frame that you have been allotted for this journey. Make sure your project is adequate size so that you can wisely manage your time. Number 3, be focused. You might be hearing this word in all my videos, some or other related context. But friends, this is very important when you are pursuing any research project or any long-term goal. You have to stay focused. Eventually, it happens that when you are achieving long-term goals, your years and days pass very easily and quickly if you don't make a proper note of what you're doing in your important to-do list. The important point to note here is make a proper to-do list for every day that will take you forward to reach your research project. You also need to learn an ability to say no to unimportant tasks for time being so that you can focus totally on your important task and achieve the results in the allotted time slot. Number 4, start writing early. It's great you're enjoying the journey. It feels amazing when you're doing research, when you're gaining some experimental analysis where you can get published in top level conferences. But the important part in doing PhD is research right. Researching without reporting is like preparing a banana cake without bananas. So it's an integral part of researchers to have a proper report. From my experiences, I would suggest here to start writing your thesis immediately after your literature survey. So you can parallelly complete your introduction part. Once you have done your literature survey, you can write your literature state of the art section in your thesis. Parallelly makes things easier. Outcome of this step is seen after like 3 to 4 years, where you don't have to recollect the entirely start from the beginning and keep scratching your pages for more weeks and days. So this will be helpful for you to have a proper glance and you see your progress, how you're performing over the years. Simple step here to do is write parallelly when you are performing your research. Get into the habit of writing regularly. Number 5, line up support. Get to know around people that this is an important stage for you and you want to complete PhD on time. Have a discussion with your supervisors. Let acknowledge people. This is a different part of a journey where you will definitely support some difficult times, but keep yourself motivated. Have a discussion with proper people. Increase your networking so that you can approach proper people when you are stuck and you need help. And one more important thing here is ask up regular meetings with your supervisors so you will have an healthy checkups on what and how you are progressing towards your research project. At the end, I would just conclude that visualize the moment where you have been honored with your PhD. I hope you enjoyed watching these goals where it will take you to complete your PhD successfully on time. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research so you'll receive the updated notifications about my latest video in this series of effective ways of doing research. Stay tuned with me. Till then, take care. Goodbye.